Welcome to day 3 of my 7 days amazing core workout to strengthen if you have diastasis recti, umbilical hernia, weak pelvic floor for absolute beginners. Hi, my name is Annie. Welcome back to my channel, Annie Pilates Physical Therapist. Now join me and my two cousins, Elna and Bisa, who was there on the first 2 days of my absolute beginners program. If you haven't watched the first 2 videos, please watch over here. Click the link over here. I would recommend do those 2 videos first before proceeding on the 3rd video as we progress to strengthen your core. Elna had 2 babies and Bisa had 3 babies. So how was your abdominal muscles and your core feeling, Bisa? You can come over here.
It feels a little sore, but it feels good.
And what can you say after our 2nd day?
It feels good to be a reminder that I still have muscles there.
There you go. She was so shocked. So my recommendation is for you to go back to day 1 and day 2 first before proceeding on this program. So get your mat ready. Join me and Bisa and Elna on this lovely day 3 progression. Okay, my friends, this is day 3. So we're going to focus on our obliques and our side muscles. I'm going to start standing first. Feet apart, toes pointing to the side. We're going to slowly reach up, arms up level, thumbs up. Take a deep breath. Exhale, pull your elbows to your waist and squeeze your core in as hard as you can. You're trying to pull your navel to your spine. As you inhale, make your belly button come out, push out with your breath work as you pull as much air in. Exhale, pull it in as you pull your elbows to your hips. Inhale, reach. Exhale, squeeze your core in as you breathe out through your mouth. Inhale through your nose as you extend your elbows. Exhale, pull it in. 4 more. Let's warm up our shoulders, our core muscles. 3 more. Inhale, exhale. 2 more. Last one. Squeeze your upper back as you pull back. And now as you extend your arm, we're going to do a little bit trunk rotation. Twist. Inhale, squeeze your core in as you breathe out. This is engaging your obliques. Inhale as you go center. Exhale as you twist. Breathe in, breathe out. Try to really squeeze your core in as you breathe out. 4 more. 3. Feels good on your elbows all the way to your shoulders. 2. Last one, my friends. And 1. And now lower your knees down to a plie. Squeeze your core in. Place your hands on your hips. And we're going to really feel your abdominal muscles engage. As you inhale, slowly pulse up and down. Exhale. Breathe in, breathe out. Squeeze your core in. Tighten as you inhale, especially as you exhale. We have 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold that plie and alternating lift your heels left and right. 10, 9, 8. Squeeze your core in. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, as you lower your hips down, lean on your right elbow on your thigh and overhead reach on your left. Stretch. Inhale, exhale back to your hips and switch to the other side. And back. You're going to feel that hip groin stretch. Inhale, exhale as you reach. Inhale as you go down, exhale as you switch. 4 more. Each side. Feel the burn now on your inner thighs. 3 more. Whew. 2. And 1. And slowly extend your knees. We're going to go at the edge of the mat. We're going to roll down, lift your arms up. And then slowly scoop your chin tuck as you scoop down slowly. Reaching down to your knees, belly button to your spine to protect your hernia and your diastasis recti. Slowly slide your hands in front of your thighs as much as you can, fold forward. And breathe out. Lift your arms to your side, interlock your fingers, and pull and stretch your upper back. Hold that deep breath in. Exhale. as much as you can, fold forward. Now slowly slide it behind your back on the way, on your buttocks, all the way down the back of your legs, and pull your head towards your knees as much as you can. Take a deep breath in. So this is some yoga movements I'm incorporating that's safe for you guys. Inhale, exhale. 2 more deep breaths in. Last deep breath. And now we're gonna slowly extend your knee left and right like pedaling. Stretch those hamstrings. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now slowly crawl down like a monkey walk down to the mat, forward all the way to the end. Lower your knees down slowly, and we're going to be in all fours position. Now we're going to do cat and camel. As you round your shoulders, chin tucked to an angry cat, pull your navel to the spine, you're tilting your pelvis in, engaging your core, abdominal muscles, navel to your spine. As you exhale, look up and breathe out. Inhale, round. Exhale, up. Inhale, round. Exhale, up. 2 more. Inhale, round. And as you exhale up, arch your back. Last one. Exhale, back. Next exercise is bird dog. If this is too difficult, you can use a big ball to support your abdomen area. But for those who can try now, you can join me. As you extend your right leg, you reach with your left and balance. And you might find yourself having that hovering. Engage your core. Inhale, exhale back down to all fours and breathe out. And then switch, extend your left leg, then reach with your right arm. Inhale, balance your core, exhale down. 4 more. Inhale, exhale. Switch, breathe in. If there's any increasing pain, stop, which means you're not ready yet. You can always go back to my day 1 and day 2. We're targeting our postural chain muscles to support your posture. 2 more. Inhale, reach as much as you can. You want to make sure you're reaching, fingers extended, pointing, toes pointing away, fingers pointing away. Engage all those muscles. Last one. Good. All fours position. Place your right hand behind your head. And we're going to do a little bit trunk twist. Look up to the heavens as you lift your right arm. Exhale, squeeze your core in as you point your elbow down to the mat. Inhale, open. Exhale, twist down. This is good for your obliques. Breathe in. Breathe out. 4 more. Feels a good stretch on your rib cage, your shoulders. 2 more. Inhale, exhale down. Last one. Exhale down. Now switch to the other side. Place your left hand behind your head. Lift your elbow up. As you look up to the heavens, inhale, exhale down. Point your elbow down. Squeeze your core in. Don't forget your breath work as you breathe out. Inhale through your nose. Exhale as you point down. 4 more. Feel that beautiful stretch. 3 more. 2. Last one, my friends. And 1. Whew. Now, all fours position, we're going to do a beautiful stretch as you make if there's a pendulum on your abdomen and you want to make circles, you're going to move your body, shift your body weight back and forth around. Inhale. Exhale. Squeeze your core in. 4, 3, 2, 1, and then reverse circles. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Now we're going to be in kneeling position, off, and then reach your arms up, pointing to in front of you, chest level. As you inhale, we're going to open to the side, exhale. Slowly lean back, and then back to the center and switch. You might have a hard time leaning back And that's fine. As much as you can lean back. And if you're having knee pain, place pillows on your knees or skip this part. Reach back and center. Switch and back. 2 more. Last one. And down. Now, I want you to scoot forward, Bisa. A little bit here. Forward more. I just noticed it. There you go. Now I can see. Now you can scoot back. There you go. Okay, my friends. After doing that, let's go back again to our knees. That's a good break, right, my friends? Reach up to the heavens and make a W position where you pull your elbows to your shoulder level and feel that beautiful stretch. Take deep breaths here. Inhale, exhale. Squeeze your core in. Inhale, exhale. Breathe in, breathe out, reach up to the heavens, and then back to pointing again to your fingers. And then let's do another set. Turn your body trunk twist and reach back and center. Twist to the left, reach back. Can you feel that on your quadriceps? Feels a good eccentric control. Inhale as you open, exhale, squeeze your core in. Don't forget your breath work. Good. 3 more. Twist. Last set. Whew. That was lovely. And last one on your right. And down. Now we're going to slowly scoot down, all the way down to the mat. We're going to lie down to cool down now. Hug your back of your thigh, interlock your fingers, and slowly chin tuck, roll down, 1 vertebrae down to the mat, and exhale. Roll the way down. Okay, my friends, we're going to slowly lift your right knee in tabletop position, bend your knee to 90 degrees. As you inhale, squeeze your core in, and then lift both arms up, pointing to the heavens. And then exhale down, switch to the other side. Inhale, exhale. 4 more. Let's warm up your hips. 3 more, right and left. Slow and steady. 1 breath, 1 motion. 2 more. Last one, my friends. Inhale, exhale. And now we're going to engage your upper body as you lift your right leg up to 90 degrees. And then you're reaching your arms up overhead. Right arm up, same side. And then as you lower your right foot down, you're going to lift your right hand back to the starting position as you rest. And then switch to the other side, lift your left knee up, lift your left arm up. And then down. Switch, inhale, exhale down. Left side. Inhale, exhale. Squeeze your core in. 4 more. Tighten your abdominal muscles as you breathe out. As much as you can. 2 more. Last one. Now we're going to progress. If you can do this, you can join me. Lift both legs up. You're going to feel that now in your abdominal muscles. Make sure it's 90 degrees. There you go. And now we're going to tap your right foot as you tap your right hand overhead. Just tap your toes. Inhale and exhale. Switch. Breathe in, breathe out. Feel that on your lower abdominal muscles now. 4 more. Inhale, exhale. 3, 2, and 1. Now hold this position. We're going to do butterfly stretch in a tabletop position. So you're going to open your hands and knees apart like a butterfly wings. Inhale, exhale, center. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one, and 1. Lower your knees down. We're gonna cool down now from lovely stretches by feet together. Open your knees out to a butterfly stretch on your hips. There you go. And then you can open your arms out to your side to stretch your chest muscles. And hold this in 3 deep breaths. Belly rise as you inhale. Exhale, pull your navel to your spine and squeeze as hard as you can. 2 more deep breaths. Last one. Now place your knees together and then hug your knees to your chest and rock side to side. Take a deep breath. Don't forget your breath work. And squeezing your core in as you breathe out. And then circles. Reverse circles. Now lower one leg down. Hug one knee. Extend your right leg. Toes pointing away. And hold that left knee closer to your chest. Inhale, exhale. Now switch to the other side. Right knee hug, left knee extended. Inhale, exhale. Now grab your big toes with your fingers. Interlock your fingers really tight. Lift the sole of your feet pointing to the heavens. Pull your knees down to the floor, to the mat, and rock side to side like a happy baby pose. Inhale, exhale. And that's it. I'm hoping you enjoyed my lovely day 3 of my 7-day journey to strengthen your core abdominal muscles if you're postpartum and you needed to revive your pelvic floor health and overall health. If you love this video and want to learn more about Pilates, yoga, physical therapy, health and wellness, please subscribe to my channel, ring the bell so you won't miss anything. Like and share this video. Every like you give to my channel, you are supporting me. And if you want to be guided by me, I have my Revive Pelvic Floor Health course that I'm opening soon. Click on the early bird waitlist for first come first serve basis as I end this program. And I also have a back masterclass for those with back pain together with weak cores, with umbilical hernia postpartum that you can also add if you have back pain. Click on the description below for the back masterclass early bird waitlist that I'll be reopening. If you love this video, if you have any questions, suggestions, leave a comment down below or direct message me on my social media and I'll try my best to answer each one of you. Thank you, Elna and Bisa, for joining me again on day 3. Tomorrow will be day 4. It's going to be a little bit more challenging. And if you're ready, click here, day 4. And if you haven't tried my program, go to day 1. I really love you to try it, to really start, revamp the proper breath work, and learn the neutral spine. Until my next video training, always remember, be safe, be well, and healthier you. Bye!